Aging is a natural process that we all go through, but how we age can impact our quality of life. By incorporating fitness into our daily routines, we can improve our physical health and enhance our mental and emotional well-being. Throughout this video, we will share valuable insights and fitness facts that will empower you to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. From the benefits of strength training to the importance of flexibility and balance exercises, we will explore various aspects of fitness that can contribute to healthy aging. Our goal is to inspire and motivate you to embrace a lifestyle that promotes longevity and vitality. Let us explore the world of fitness and discover how it can transform your life for the better. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening and empowering adventure. Healthy aging is not just about growing older. It is about embracing a lifestyle that promotes vitality, longevity, and overall well-being. At its core, healthy aging is about optimizing physical, mental, and emotional health to ensure that we can continue to live life to the fullest. It involves adopting healthy habits and behaviors that support our bodies and minds as we navigate the aging process. One of the key factors that contribute to healthy aging is nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can provide our bodies with the essential nutrients they need to function optimally. Regular physical activity can help improve cardiovascular health, strengthen muscles and bones, and enhance flexibility and balance. Engaging in activities such as walking, swimming, yoga, or strength training can not only boost physical fitness, but also improve mental well-being by reducing stress and anxiety. Mental well-being is equally important when it comes to healthy aging. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or relaxation techniques can also promote emotional well-being and reduce the impact of stress on our overall health. By prioritizing nutrition, exercise, and mental well-being, we can positively influence our longevity and vitality as we age. Healthy aging is not just about adding years to our life, but adding life to our years. It is about embracing a comprehensive approach to health that supports our physical, mental, and emotional well-being, allowing us to age gracefully and enjoy a fulfilling and vibrant life. Let us explore some specific fitness facts and strategies for aging gracefully. Strength training is a key component of a well-rounded fitness routine for older adults. By incorporating exercises such as squats, lunges, and resistance training into your workout regimen, you can strengthen your muscles and support your joints for better mobility and independence. Yoga is another beneficial form of exercise for aging gracefully. Not only does yoga help improve flexibility, balance, and posture, but it also promotes relaxation and stress reduction. Remember to listen to your body, stay hydrated, and prioritize rest and recovery to prevent injury and promote muscle recovery. By making fitness a priority in your life, you can age gracefully, maintain your independence, and enjoy a vibrant and active lifestyle well into your golden years. Let us delve into the importance of nutrition and healthy aging and explore specific foods and dietary patterns that can support our well-being. Nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support our immune system, brain function, heart health, and overall vitality. By fueling our bodies with a diverse range of nutrients, we can enhance our resilience to age-related changes and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. One dietary pattern that has been linked to healthy aging is the Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help protect against age-related cognitive decline, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, can help reduce inflammation and support brain health. Colorful fruits and vegetables provide a variety of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that promote cellular health and immune function. By making mindful food choices, planning nutritious meals, and prioritizing a balanced diet, you can support healthy aging, enhance your well-being, and enjoy a vibrant and fulfilling life as you grow older. Let us explore the impact of mental well-being on healthy aging and discover strategies to support our mental health as we grow older. Positive mental well-being can enhance memory, concentration, and decision-making skills, while reducing the risk of cognitive decline and dementia. To maintain cognitive function and emotional well-being as we age, it is essential to engage in activities that stimulate the mind and nurture the soul. Reading, puzzles, crossword puzzles, learning new skills, and socializing with friends and family can help keep the brain sharp, improve memory, and boost mood. There are numerous resources and activities available to promote mental wellness and resilience in older adults. Community centers, senior centers, and online platforms offer classes, workshops, and support groups focused on mental health, cognitive fitness, and emotional well-being. Engaging in hobbies, volunteering, and staying connected with others can also provide a sense of purpose, social support, and mental stimulation. By prioritizing mental well-being, staying active and engaged, and seeking support when needed, older adults can enhance their cognitive function, emotional resilience, and overall quality of life. Taking care of our mental health is a vital component of healthy aging, allowing us to age gracefully, maintain our independence, and enjoy a fulfilling and meaningful life as we grow older. In this video, we have explored the secrets of healthy aging, focusing on the crucial role of fitness, nutrition, mental well-being, and overall lifestyle choices in promoting vitality and longevity. As we age, prioritizing our health and well-being becomes increasingly important for maintaining a high quality of life and aging gracefully. We have emphasized the significance of healthy aging and fitness in maintaining overall well-being. By incorporating regular physical activity, nutritious eating habits, and strategies for mental wellness into our daily routines, we can support our bodies and minds as we navigate the aging process. Taking steps towards healthy aging can enhance our physical health, cognitive function, emotional well-being, and resilience. Viewers need to implement the tips and strategies shared in this video for aging gracefully. Whether it is engaging in strength training exercises, following a balanced diet rich in nutrients, practicing mindfulness and relaxation techniques, or staying socially connected, every small step towards prioritizing our health can make a significant impact on our well-being as we age. We encourage you to act and make positive changes in your lifestyle to support healthy aging. By adopting a comprehensive approach to health and well-being, you can enhance your longevity, vitality, and overall quality of life. Remember that it is never too late to start prioritizing your health and well-being for a brighter and healthier future. We invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights on healthy aging, fitness, nutrition, and mental well-being. Like and share this video with others who may benefit from this information, and explore related content for further inspiration and guidance on your journey towards aging gracefully. Thank you for joining us on this empowering and enlightening adventure towards unlocking the secrets of healthy aging.